So I'm like the worst person to talk about the future or past with.
So I wanted to talk about, you were talking about like every few videos, you're doing something for the first time.
Yeah.
I have felt though that this year you've found some formats that you're working on that are working really well.
That's what we talked about a couple days ago.
Yeah. Like some of those formats I'm noticing are like the versus format is great. Yeah. Right. The hotel.
I love those videos too.
Yeah. The hotel and the yacht one, like those are really fun to watch. And it does seem like from hotels to yachts, you got better at that format.
Exactly. Yeah. If you watch $1 versus, what was it, $1 million hotel room? Yeah. Like that video sucks compared to $1 versus $1 billion yacht. It's infinitely better. Like